Hi everyone, and welcome back to HappinessSparkles. I just received this parcel last night, very late, and I was so excited. I was tracking it, waiting for it to arrive yesterday, and when it did, it was too late to do an unboxing. So I'm coming on here today to do this unboxing for you guys. Super excited. I love the packaging. And it's all thanks to my adorable friend Lala, who sent this to me, and I couldn't have done it without her. So I couldn't find it here in Toronto or Canada, so she very kindly said, "Go ahead and order it, Frances, and I'll have it shipped to you." And here she is. So let's get ahead. I haven't unboxed her yet, so that's why I'm on here now to do the unboxing. So here's the box. It's beautiful. I'm sure those who have ordered from Christian Dior know how everything comes so well presented, the beautiful stamp, and also they send you this envelope. It has just your bill and such things like that in it, and return policy if need be. So we'll set that aside and we'll go ahead and open the box. So I believe this is how we do it. I'm not sure. I'm new at this. Look at that. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. So let's see how we open it here. Okay, this is how we do it. And the stamp is actually right on, sealed into the box. Here we have Christian Dior Paris, and it's a very beautiful box. Inside we have a lovely little kind of dust bag. It's beautiful. And then it's all sealed up here. Look at this. Presentation is amazing. Open her up. Ooh, this is how she comes. And then there's a little pillow as well. No samples. They didn't send me any samples. That's unusual. But look at the little pillow. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm not sure what you could do with it, but maybe set it up, on display or something behind the bottle, like this. So anyway, let's go ahead and open it up. It comes in this lovely little, oh, look at her. Look at her. This is the 40 ml bottle. Oh, it's so beautiful. So gorgeous. The box is fabulous. And I believe it has a magnetic, yeah, look at that. Magnetic top. Very simple, sleek, and sophisticated. And I'll tell you the notes. I'm going to spray her on my hand. Oh, very refreshing. Opens with a blast of rose, watery rose. A little bit of patchouli in there, and that beautiful oak moss that I had never smelt before until I smelt this perfume. Thanks to the beautiful Julia who sent me the sample. This fragrance is so unique and gorgeous. I honestly have been putting off buying this for the last 3 years because I heard everyone say it was very predominantly patchouli. But it's so well blended that honestly the patchouli just enhances the rest of the notes in here. This could be worn all year round, and it's just stunning. I'm addicted. It's fresh, it's kind of minty, it's mouth-watering, absolutely a watery rose with abundance of oak moss in here. It's just stunning. So there's my unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And thank you again for Lala for making this happen. Thank you again. I love you all and take care. I'll see you on my next video. And as I always say, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle.